All right, day 6. We're hitting a killer combo, shoulders and legs. Let's dive right in.
The goal here is simple, comprehensive muscle growth. We're gonna hit these 2 key areas hard.
Okay, let's get into it. First up, we're building strong legs with 4 powerful exercises.
This is a beast for your whole posterior chain. Really focus on feeling that deep stretch.
Now check this out. 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps. That's the sweet spot here.
Next, Bulgarian split squats. This move is incredible for your balance, quads, and glutes.
And the key here, you gotta finish all your reps on one leg before you switch.
All right, walking lunges. This dynamic move torches your legs and really lights up your core.
What's great is this builds serious strength and stability all at once. It's a win-win.
Okay, let's move on to the calves. This isolation move is going to give them great shape.
You'll notice we're going for higher reps here. The goal is to completely fatigue that muscle.
Legs are done. Now, let's shift gears and focus on building those broad 3D shoulders. Kicking things off with the Arnold press. This one's a classic because it hits multiple shoulder heads. The trick is to go light to moderate. You want to nail that rotation and keep your form perfect.
This is the exercise for isolating those side delts. This is how you get that wide look.
And remember, slow and controlled is the name of the game. That's how you really feel it.
Now let's hit the back of the shoulder. Hitting the rear delts is crucial for posture.
Seriously, don't skip this. It's how you build a balanced and truly healthy shoulder.
And to finish off the shoulders, the upright row. This is perfect for defining your traps.
Again, keep the weight moderate on this one. We want smooth reps, no jerking motions.
So, what does that all look like? Let's put the whole plan together for you. And there you have it. This is your blueprint for an absolutely killer shoulder and leg day. At the end of the day, consistency is everything. You've got the plan, now go crush it.